How to patch drywall.
You forgot a keyword.
What?
Not.
Hi there, we're Matt and Stacy. We recently bought an off-grid property in beautiful West Virginia. We've been busy making this property our own little slice of paradise, adding in a few modern conveniences, having fun learning all of the construction trades, and converting a pole barn into our future home. This channel is about my passion for painting with a torch and wax, and about our passion for adventure and taking risks. Consider subscribing and join this creative community. And don't forget, hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the video.
Picking you back up where we left off last week, which is in the pole barn. So if you happen to miss last week's video, I'll link it. I think it'll be up here somewhere. I'll link it up there so you can go check that out. But yeah, back to the pole barn, Barndominium, all the excitement going on in there. I think what I'm going to do is prime the bathroom area corner because we have a very exciting delivery coming tomorrow. All right, I think this actually is starting to look like a bathroom. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you. There's not much to show you, but all the walls are pretty much primed except for a few areas where sanding is still needed. We are very excited to almost be done with sanding and mudding drywall. It is a very messy, very dirty job. All right, I'm also gonna try to not blind you by the shop light, but here we go, entering in. Nice white walls. Obviously we are still missing a toilet and a vanity and a few other things, but it's one step closer.
That very special delivery I mentioned earlier requires putting a hole into the side of the pole barn, so not stressful at all here. At any rate, if you have any guesses, let me know down below there in the comments what we might be getting for this special delivery.
Hello?
Hello from the other side.
Good morning. Last night kind of ended rather abruptly. The video, I didn't video much more. We actually did quite a bit more, including we started painting the bathroom a paint color. So I'm going to take you into the barn and show you that progress this morning. All right, so I don't know if you can see that paint splash is there and the large paint spill here, but that is the color of the bathroom. It's also over here on this wall, which is not the bathroom wall. So yeah, somebody last night, that would be me, decided it would be lots of fun to spill paint everywhere. So I spilled almost an entire half-gallon of paint all over the barn in places that we did not need paint. So we kind of stopped recording abruptly and got to cleaning that mess up. It was, like I said, everywhere. I spilled in one direction and it just splattered all over stuff. Anyways, things happen, mistakes happen. We got it cleaned up. I think it was about 10 o'clock at night when we finally stopped for the day. So yeah, a little bit of a frustrating move last night, but it's done, it's over with. I am gonna show you what it actually looks like in the bathroom, because I did get a couple walls painted in there before I decided to spill it all over. And we do have something very exciting coming today. So trying to look on the bright side of things and not look at it as a total waste of time for cleaning it up. And yeah, just gonna move on with the day and look forward for things to come. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is where I spilled it. And that's how far away the kitchen wall is. So you can imagine all of that was paint on the concrete. There was paint underneath the table, paint on the table. Matter of fact, this camera I'm holding was sitting on the table and got paint splashes on it. Luckily, the lens was closed and all is fine. Obviously, I'm videoing it. But that paint can is quite empty now. So that kind of is a bummer. Hoping we don't have to get new paint or a whole new can. But moving on into the bathroom here, being careful not to trip over anything. Here is what it looks like in the bathroom. It's really hard to see with these shop lights, but it's a nice kind of bright seafoam green kind of color. There it is up against the white. I think you can see that color a little bit more. Obviously this whole wall has to get finished. This is kind of where we stopped. And then flipping around by the doorway has to get done. Up in the shower needs to get done. We're gonna eventually tile that. So I just got some white paint to paint for the time being. But the rest of these walls are looking pretty good. This color is called Refresh. And I don't know if anybody else does this, but I had it narrowed down to a couple colors. One was Refresh, which is what I ended up getting, and the other was Aqueduct, which I like the name of Refresh, so I picked that color kind of for the color, but also for the name. So yeah, I don't know if anybody else does that, but sometimes I choose colors because they have fun names, and I like the name Refresh. All right, after the paint disaster last night, we're hoping to not have another disaster. Basically, we have to cut these two water lines sticking out of here to install the hot water tank. And just in case, we've got 2 buckets and some rags. Hoping for no more disasters. Cross your fingers. Think of us if there is a disaster.
It's gonna take a little while to do.
Starting with the hot water, and Matt put on safety glasses just in case. I'm not sure if I should have this camera right here, but yeah, we'll see how this goes.
So why?
It's a bit wet. I'm putting the camera down.
Well, we're gonna let it drain.
Not sure why there's water in the hot water tank, or the hot water pipe. It should only be going out. So we've got a mystery. Yeah,
It'd be nice to get most of it out anyway.
All right, I've got the water pump turned off, and we're going to attempt to drain the lines this way.
We'll get some of it out. Not a lot in there. Yeah, that's a good sign.
Maybe we already drained it out. We don't know, clearly. Oh, goodness gracious. Don't the other handle.
Oh boy. Oh, that's fun. Oh, we got some surges. I don't know what's going on here.
Problem number 2. We don't have enough space between the pipe and the wall to use this fun little pipe cutting tool. Guys didn't expect this to be easy, did you? I know we didn't. Actually, we did. Simple little cutting of pipes, just 2 pipes. Just have to push the little things on and presto changeo. However, not so easy.
Well, it looks like all of those little mishaps seem to be paying off. We are getting a very special, very exciting delivery today. And you may have guessed what it is, but we are actually getting a washer and dryer. We still don't have a sink, toilet, or a working shower in this bathroom, but we've got a washer and dryer, and I'm very excited about that.
Know what that is? A sure sign that winter's coming. 80 degrees today though. Snow in a week.
Camper's getting moved in. The bubble's coming in.
It's getting cold.
So rather than backing the camper in with a vehicle, we're pulling it in with the trailer jack, I think it's called. At any rate, we are doing this for a couple reasons. The way we want to have the door facing, we have to pull it in versus backing it in with a vehicle. And we're hoping that these boards here hold up and don't break because there is a dip in the concrete there for our drainage purposes. And I'll show you here in a bit. The camper does fit in, but it's a little bit of a tight squeeze. But thankfully, we will be nice, warm, and cozy in the barn this winter.
A bit more crowded here in the barn. We're working on painting some trim here, and if I can get around the trim.
I thought you were talking to me. I'm like, huh? You shouldn't have insulated all the walls. I can't hear anywhere.
And old man Matt there is painting the bathroom.
What?
He may be a little bit high from the fumes up there.
Woohoo!
And really, what better way to spend a rainy Friday night than working in the pole barn. I don't know if you could hear, but it's pretty loud on the roof, but much quieter now that we're insulated than what it was in previous times. So yeah, starting the weekend off with a big push to hopefully maybe have
Don't say it.
maybe have running water in the bathroom by the end of the weekend. Hopefully.
There it goes.
Why? All right, still raining outside. We're hoping for no water raining inside. About to turn the main water on. Fingers crossed, we've got no leaks downstairs.
I think we're good.
Thumbs up. Good morning. Today we have a lot going on, a lot of little things in the bathroom, and we're kind of flip-flopping and switching all over the place. We've got the shower, we've got trim, and we've got electric and maybe a toilet going on. So see how the day goes here. And someday we might have better lighting in here.
It's better for YouTube not to see me in my full light. Okay, YouTube, question. These holes, if you know what they're for, let me know. I've determined that you put your wire through here and you use it to twist to make your hook. I don't know if that's right or not, but let me know.
Now let's see if it all fits here. Oh, there's Matt's head.
My head doesn't fit in anything. Oh yeah, I love this part. Especially with GFCI boxes.
All right, we have power. All of that so that we have power to put the trim down. Not nerve-wracking at all.
Clean as day.
Go. Does it work?
I don't like this. Got some air, I don't want to leave it out.
It works. We've got a leak. Of course, we got a leak.
Yay.
Take two here. Let's hope this one doesn't leak. Right, we got water coming out of there. Is there water coming out up top? Does anybody see any water? looks like we might be good. All right, taking a break from the trim because trim has to go back there. And we're going to install the toilet just to make sure we have enough clearance for trim back there because it's tight. So toilet install next, cutting the pipe. Fingers are crossed that this goes well. Hold your breath. We're about to cut open the sewer pipe. Yeah, let's see if it fits. Really hope it does.
Okay. Knew that was gonna happen.
That didn't work.
Alright, let's try.
All right, take two. Here's how tight we are. It's a tight, tight fit.
There's only one time in a toilet seat's history that you can do that with. Now is that time.
Good morning. Another exciting day here in the pole barn today. The plan is to get rid of some of these boxes we have lying about and hopefully putting them to good use here in the bathroom.
It's like Christmas around here.
Get in it.
Would you like a knife? Grand revealing in 5, 4,
Count slower.
3, 2. Oh, I thought maybe the pressure would speed this up.
Hey, can't speed this up. Can't speed this up.
5, 4,
Wait, I have a whole seal.
3. Oh, don't give yourself a paper cut.
I'm careful.
Folks, working with Stacy is very nerve-wracking.
I'm very careful. All right, are you ready? Da, 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 da. Oh, wait.
Aye.
Ta-da!
What is it?
I think it's going to be a medicine cabinet.
I see.
All right, this is the medicine cabinet. It's as far as we can take it for now, because the next step is to figure out where it's going to go on the wall. So we'll put the doors on and hang that on the wall later. And I think up next is the vanity.
Is next vanity. Not swimwear.
Goodness.
Moving on to plumbing in the bathroom here again. And we've discovered we don't have enough pieces parts. So a quick late night trip to Lowe's, wandering down the plumbing aisles, and we're hoping we have the right part, but we'll find out in the morning. See you then.
Well, took about 3 trips to Lowe's, but I think we finally have gotten the plumbing figured out for underneath the cabinet. Checking for leaks down here. Well, we turned the faucet on up here for the first time.
It's gonna be air, probably.
Are you ready?
I'm definitely ready. And go hot and cold.
Got water and some air. Any leaks?
Go cold. Is it getting warm, by the way?
Yeah.
Hot?
Yeah. Ooh, toasty. Toasty warm. Okay. Going to the cold side.
Yeah, I wonder if we turned it up.
Oh, more air. Any leaks?
I wouldn't report them anyway if I saw them.
Oh, plumbing's kind of like sanding drywall. All right. Vanity is in. On to the next project. Moving this plug because this unfortunately interferes with that. So we are now cutting a brand new hole into this beautifully finished drywall. I see you.
Bye.
How to patch drywall.
You forgot a keyword.
What?
Not.
A little Gorilla Tape and some drywall. Again, we are not professionals. Don't do this at home, kids.
We're pretty creative, though.
Creative, yes.
I know. Look, I pre-painted it, too.
It matches. Who knew?
Oh, to itself. Hold on. How's that fit?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Done. Put a block behind there and fill it in and sand it down again. Why not?
Professional job here. The plug has been moved. Now we can plug our toothbrushes in on the inside of the medicine cabinet. Don't mind that wire. We still need to hang a light. Adding some finishing touches in the bathroom today.
Now you know what happens on the other side of the drywall when you push those through.
Right, the bathroom is so close to being done. We have the shower door on order, probably another month or so. Cabinets are obviously all in. Towel bars are in. Plugs are in. However, you'll see the lights are definitely not in, and the ceiling is not done. That's because we have to figure out what lighting we're doing, and that up there is HVAC, which again is on back order. But we have the lovely washer and dryer, and we have the toilet, and hopefully not making you dizzy here. But we finally have running water and indoor plumbing after probably at least 6 months without it. So very excited about that. Thanks again for coming along in this Barndominium kind of start to finish, or at least finish of the bathroom, kind of finish of the bathroom. At any rate, I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up please. Really does help us out. Also, if you're not subscribed and would consider doing so, would really appreciate that. Next week, there's probably going to be more of a painting video, but we'll find out. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.